Now let's do the mind test 6.3c under topic tangent to a circle. Let's see question number 1. This one, mind test 6.3c, is on the textbook page 155. Question number 1, they give you the diagram on the right, show a circle of radius 5 cm centered at 0. So 5 cm is the radius. So this is the radius 5 cm. Given that PQ and PR are tangent to a circle, remember whenever they set it is a tangent to a circle, that means we can write it here. It's 90 degree. It's 90 degree. Given that PQ and PR are tangent to the circle and the angle of QSR equal to 60, okay, here the angle is 60. First, we look at questions A. Calculate the value of X. Okay, we need to calculate the value of X. Let's look at the figure. Where is the X? X is here. The strategy is we want to find X. So that means we need to find the angle of QOR. Why QOR? So X equal to angle QOR minus, not minus, divide by 2. Why? Because the angle of X here is equal to the angle down here. Okay, so how can we find the angle of QOR? Look up here. You need to remember, if this one is 60, the angle of QOR is twice. So that means it's 60 times 2, and then we will get the QOR. So QOR equal to 120 degree. So X is QOR divided by 2 because the angle up and down is the same. So QOR is 120 divided by 2, and then we will get 60. So we get X equal to 60. Okay, next we move to the second question. So we get X equal to 60 already. So X equal to 60, down here equal to 60. Next, the second question asks us to find the value of Y. Okay, where is Y? Y is here. Okay, remember this one, up and down, the angle is the same. Okay, if here is Y, up here also Y. If the top is 60, the bottom also 60. So we know that one triangle is 180 degree. The total angle is 180. So we can find the value of Y, which is equal to 180 minus 60 minus 90. Why? Because we know already here is 90 degree because it is a tangent to a circle. So the answer will be 180 minus 90 minus 60 equal to 30. So we get the value of Y equal to 30 degree. Okay, done. Question number B. Now let's move to C, the length of PQ. So where is PQ? Okay, so now we want to find the length of PQ. So PQ is from here to here. Okay, how can find the length? Remember, this one is a tangent. Okay, whenever you see a tangent, you can use the Sauchatoire. So what is Sauchatoire? Is sin theta equal to sin so. Cha toa. Okay, I use this one. Okay. Sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent theta equal to opposite over adjacent. So now, let's identify which one is the opposite, which one is the adjacent, which one is the hypotenuse. According to this one, we want to find the QP. So, we will use this angle. Okay. We can use either this angle. I use another color lah. Okay, I use the yellow. We can use either this color, this angle, which is this one is 30 degree, or we can use this angle. It depends. Okay. For the first one, I want to use the angle of this, the 30 degree. So I just erase this one to avoid you from confusing. Okay. So I used the 30 degree. Next, what information that we have? If here the radius is 5 cm, so that means up here also 5 cm. Let's identify which one is the opposite. If we look at angle 30 here, where is the opposite? Opposite is here. Okay, where is the adjacent? Adjacent is here. Hypotenuse is down here. Remember, hypotenuse is the longest one. Okay, so we want to find PQ. We already have the O. Okay, we have O. We want to find A. So which one we want to use? We use TOA. Tangent. Tangent equal to opposite over adjacent. So we use tangent, which is tangent 30 equal to opposite is 5 cm divided by our adjacent is our PQ. Okay, so we can find the value of PQ equal to 5 divided by tangent 30, which is equal to 8.66 cm. Okay, this if we use this angle, y equal to 30, we use this angle. How if we want to use the other angle? Because we already know the value of x. Okay, I erase this one first. Okay. So, how if I want to use this angle? Because we know x already. We know the value of x, which is the value of x is 60. Okay. How if we want to use this one? So, let's identify the positions. Okay. Here, yes, still the same is hypotenuse. Where is the opposite? Opposite is here. Adjacent is here. Okay. Which one we want to use? We have the adjacent, which is 5 cm. The radius is always the same. And then we have the opposite. We want to find the opposite. Sorry. So we want to find the PQ. So we can use same. We can use the TOA. But this time the angle is 60. And the adjacent is 5 cm. Okay. So we use the TOA. So which is tangent 60, tangent equal to opposite. Where is the opposite? The opposite is our PQ over adjacent is 5 cm. So PQ equal to tangent 60 times 5, which is equal to 8.66 cm, which is the same answer if we use this one. If we use this one, the answer is still the same. If we use tangent 30, still the same. But what is the difference is the place. Where is the adjacent? Where is the opposite? Okay. Now we already answered question 1C. Now move back to this one. They ask you to find the length of OP. Okay, next we move to find the value of OP. Okay, we erase this one. Everything's erased. I don't want you to get confused. Okay. So now we want to find OP. Okay, where is the OP? OP is here. Okay. Same things. We can use either oh okay, so we can use either this value 30 or we can use this one 60. We will get the same answer, but first you need to identify where is the positions, okay, and what the things that we want to find. First I want to use the 60, the angle of 60. So we need to identify 60. Here is the opposite, here is the adjacent, the radius is 5 cm. Okay, we want to find the hypotenuse. So we have the adjacent, so that means we can use cos, because cos have both adjacent and hypotenuse. So cos 60 equal to adjacent is 5 cm and the hypotenuse is OP, the one that we want to find. OP. Okay, so OP equal to 5 divided by cos 60. 5 divided by cos 60 equal to 10 cm. Okay, so we get the length of this one is 10 cm. Okay, teacher, how if I want to use the angle, this angle 30? Can? Yes, you can. You will still get the same answer. If you don't believe me, let's try. Okay, this is the eraser. Okay, I'll erase all of this and then we will use the angle of 30. Okay, want to find O to P and then we want to use angle 30. First, identify which one is the adjacent, which one is the opposite. 30 is here. Okay, so where is the opposite? Opposite is here. Adjacent is here. Hypotenuse is here. So in these questions we want to find the hypotenuse. OP is the hypotenuse. Next, okay, so let's identify. We have the O. We want to find H. Which one have O and H? Okay, sin. So that means we can use sin. So sin theta is 30 equal to opposite. Opposite is the radius 5 cm. So we use 5 cm divide by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is our OP, the one that we want to find. Okay, so OP equal to 5 divided by sin 30. Okay, so which is also equal to 10 cm. So it doesn't matter. If you want to use this angle, you'll get the same answer. If you want to use this angle, you still gonna get the same answer. Okay, finish questions number 1. We already find all the answer, and then let's move to the second questions. The second questions, they give you O is the center of a circle with radius 3 cm. Okay, we have the radius 3 cm. ROS is a straight line given that the angle ORP. Where is ORP? Oh, ORP is here. This angle is 25 degree and PS is a tangent to a circle. Okay, whenever you see tangent to a circle, what you need to do? You just put like this. Okay, so you remember this one is tangent to a circle and the angle is 90 degree. And the question asks you to find the value of x. Okay, where is the x? X is here. Okay, First, let's plan a strategy. Let's look this one. Okay, I think I need to erase all the things up here. It's disturbing. Okay. So, we want to find x. So, what is the plan? So, we need to come up with a plan. How to find x? Look at this big triangle. Okay, this big triangle. Okay. So, if you see, to find x, we need to take 180 because you know, one triangle, the angle is 180 minus the angle of ORP minus angle of RPS. Okay. So we know already the ORP. It's given. ORP is 25. ORP is 25. We know already this one is 25. So we need to find this one. Okay, RPS. First, we know that this one is 90 degree. So, what is here? This one is isosceles. That means the length is the same. So, that means the angle also the same. If here is 25, that means here also 20, 25. So, the angle of RPS equal to 25 degree plus 90 degree. So RPS equal to 115. Okay. So we already have this value and this value. So we can find the value of x, which is equal to 180 minus 25 minus 115. And we got the value of x equal to 40. Okay, done. Question number 2A. Next, they ask us to find the PS. Okay, let's erase all of this. Okay, we want to find PS. Where is PS? PS is from here to here. Okay, we know already the angle of x. What is it? 40 degree. Now, we can use the same. So, catua. And first, we need to identify the positions. Which one is the hypotenuse? Here is the hypotenuse. Here is the, oh no, this one is the adjacent. And here is the opposite. Let me erase this first. Okay. Here is the opposite. So, we want to find PS. We have the O. So, we want to find A. PS is here. So, we can use TOA, which is tangent. So, tangent 40. Tangent equal to opposite over adjacent. So, our opposite is 3 cm. Over adjacent is our PS. So, PS equal to 3 divided by tangent 40. And we get the answer is 3.575 cm. Okay, so we got A settled. So, we get the length of PS 3.575 cm. Next, they ask us to find the length of RS. Okay, RS. I erase this one first. I erase everything first. We continue to the questions number 2C. Now we want to find the RS. Okay, look at here. RS. I erase this one also. Okay. RS is from here to here. Okay, that's long. but we need to come up with strategy. So we cannot calculate all. So too much so lah. RS is equal to RO plus OS. We know already the RO is the radius. So that's mean the radius is 3 cm. We know that this 3 cm. So what we need to find? The OS. The OS is from here to here, the black one. Okay. So how? Yes, we can either use Theorem Pythagoras or we can use Socatua. I love to use Socatua. Okay. So, this is the angle. We identify the positions again. So here is the opposite, here is the adjacent, here is the hypotenuse. We want to find the hypotenuse, our OS. We have the opposite. So we need to use Socatua. So cos. Cha. So cos 40 equal to cos is opposite. No. We cannot use cos because we have opposite. Opposite sin. So, it's cha. Okay, we use sin, not cos, okay? Sin 40 equal to opposite 3 over hypotenuse is our OS. So, OS equal to 3 over sin 40, which is equal to 4.667 cm. Okay. Now we got already. This one is 3 cm. Here is 4.667 cm. RS is equal to RO plus OS. So, I just erase this one. RO is 3 cm. 3 cm plus OS is 4.667 cm. Then the total would be 7.667 cm. Okay, done. Finish with these questions. Stay tuned for the next mind test. Thank you.